Namaste. In this video, we examine the phenomena of work. What exactly is the essence of this interesting concept? Work involves deliberate effort and activity of all kinds that promotes human sustenance and growth. In the modern era of mechanization and automation, human work involves the application of judgment in order to encounter the problem situations that are necessary to reach a goal. Let us employ the analogy of football to see how this happens. In order to score by shooting the ball into the goal, the player must chalk out a path through the football field. In traversing this path, the player encounters numerous obstacles that are posed by the opposing team members. To get past these impediments, the player employs all the dribbling skills and other techniques that she knows. Similarly, when the modern worker encounters a problem situation in the course of completing her assigned task, she gathers the details of the situational context and also musters all the knowledge resources that are available within her. These data points are then taken in, played around with, organized and analyzed through the application of reasoning. Using all this, a decision is arrived at regarding how the situation may be dealt with. Finally, the decision is implemented, which is equivalent to reaching the goal in the case of the football game. Thus, work essentially involves mental processing to match the varying degrees of situational complexity. This enables the person to arrive at appropriate decisions through the intelligent exercise of discretion and judgment. Now, what is the role of human intelligence in the performance of work? The faculty of human intelligence is known as buddhi. The application of buddhi is central to the process of problem solving and decision making. The true source of difficulty in any problem lies in its complexity. In turn, the complexity of a problem is determined by three criteria. First, the number of variables that have to be dealt with. Second, the clarity and precision with which these variables can be identified. And third, the rate of change of the variables. When people seek solutions to increasingly more complex problems, buddhi progressively comes into play. It helps the individual to determine the true and actual nature of things and situations and thereafter act accordingly. Coming back to the football game, the player on the field keeps track of the positions of all the other players, both from his own team as well as the opposing team. He then uses his intelligence to strategize in real time and accordingly decides whether to dribble or to pass the ball. Further, in the heat and flow of play, expert players report an intuitive awareness of what shot to take at what time in order to score the goal. This uncanny sense of judgment may be attributed to the intuitive nature of buddhi. The functioning of buddhi involves a continuous interplay between the overt knowledge and the underlying awareness. This enables the whispers of consciousness to inform the operations of buddhi in real time. As a result, the mental effort squarely remains focused around the servicing of human needs, which is exactly what the phenomena of work is all about. Finally, in the era of artificial intelligence, will the use of buddhi continue to be relevant towards the performance of work? Computers work by using the available body of knowledge, utilizing new information, and then following pre-programmed rules in order to arrive at conclusions. However, computer systems are unable to even approach human choice processes. This is because they cannot deal with ideas, perceptions, feelings, and emotions that have not yet been verbalized. As a result, computer and information systems are unable to authentically serve social needs without the guidance of human consciousness that buddhi provides. To summarize, decision making and problem solving involves the processing of knowledge elements by human intelligence in order to arrive at accurate conclusions. These outputs subsequently emerge into verbalized mental awareness and become available for use in problem solving. That exactly defines work. Thank you.